Hey friends, today I got this amazing big box. It's 1/6 scale Superman from INART and it's from the movie Batman vs. Superman. Let's not waste any time and see what's inside. Wow, look at this box art. It's so beautiful. And here it's written Superman. We have Superman's face behind the symbol of hope. And here's written the name of the movie, Batman vs. Superman. Here we have the logo of INART. On the side, written Superman and 1/6 Collectibles figure. And I don't know if you could see, there's some little bats everywhere here. On the other side, we have the small bats again, written Batman vs. Superman 2, the movie, and the logo. And on behind, we have the logo again, Batman vs. Superman, the name of the movie. And the coolest thing, it's written, if you see his monument, look around you. These words is written on Superman's grave when he dies at the end of the movie. So to open the box, you need to come here and it opens from this side. Oh, well, I still don't know what's inside. So, wait, can I open it? Oh, well, I still don't know. So we're gonna see when I'm gonna open this, okay? Here we have our Superman. Wow, so cool. So let me take everything out and show them to you one by one. So here we have Superman. Wow, his head sculpt is so detailed. And he has movable eyes. And there we have the symbol of hope. And the cape, this side is stitched together so that the cape stays straight. And on his back, there is a zip. If you open it a bit, you could see his shining middle body. And there's even a hole here. See it? This hole, it's to put the stand inside so we can make some flying moves. Oh no. And there we go. Okay, so his head sculpt, we can move it left, right, and his shoulder joints. Yeah, we can move it like until 90 degrees. And his elbow joints, yeah, you could close it like almost all the way. Cool. And his hands, we could do whatever we want with it. And it's so detailed, we could even see his veins. Now let's see if he has some chest joints. Oh, he does, see? Okay, now let's see his hip joints. Yeah, we can make him sit, but it's a bit silly. Now his knee joints. Yeah, he has a double joint in his knee, so we could turn it like all the way. Now let's see his feet joints. You could do it left, right, and you could tilt it a bit. Now let's see the accessories that comes with it. Here we have the angry head sculpt with red eyes. It's so detailed and the expression, it looks so realistic. And if you see inside, there's two things here. It's to move the eyes. So this is the kryptonite grenade that Batman used against Superman in the movie. And this is a kryptonite rock. So cool. And now we have a kryptonite spear. That's very cool. And it's sharp. Ouchie. Here we have another cape. It's a bit different because it contains metal wires in it. And it's so cool. You could bend it however you want. And you could do many poses with it. Now we have 5 photos of Martha, Superman's mom. And these are the same pics that Lex Luthor showed him when he kidnapped her. This is Batman's call. Look how cool it is. Now we have the base. And here we have the symbol of hope. And over here is written Superman. And you could take this part out. Why? Because there's 2 magnets in here. And it's to make Superman stand on it, and you can move the magnet so you can make a lot of poses with it. And here, you could take this part out. And it's to put this stand in it. You put this in the hole. And this thing, it's to put behind Superman's body. This comes in the box too. It's a ticket with the angry face. And behind it, just like some details, like when they released it, the timing. It's a bit cool to collect these. This letters comes in the box too. This means something, blah, 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 blah. I don't need it, so yeah. We have a pair of open hands. Wow, it's so cool. You could see a bit of the veins. Now we have a pair of punching hands. This one's so detailed too. We could see more veins in this one. And now we have a pair of grabbing hands. Wow. This one's detailed too. I think all of them are detailed. Wow. Now we have a hand that's like pinching hand. And another one more like he's holding something. And these 2 hands could be used to put Martha's pics in them. Now we have a left-sided grabbing hand. It's to put a spear inside. At last, we have a left-sided grabbing hand, and this one has a magnet on it. Why? So we could hold Batman's claw like this. See? So that's all. Now let's see what cool poses we could do with it. I really enjoyed this version of Superman. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite scene from the movie. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.